Hello, in this short video, you will learn how to tell if it is a peer-reviewed article in the EBSCOhost databases. In these databases, you can limit down to peer review publications. You can do this by clicking on the box next to academic journals. However, not all things published in academic journals go through the peer review process. In some of the EBSCOhost databases, all the information you will need is in the detailed record. First, determine whether or not it is one of the two types of articles that go through the peer review process, either an empirical, also known as primary research study, or a review article. Then at the bottom of the record, it should say peer-reviewed journal under publication type. Some of the EBSCOhost databases do not provide as much information as others, like this example. First, you will have to read the abstract and determine whether or not it is an empirical study or a review article, and therefore have gone through the peer review process. To determine if this is a peer review publication, click on the journal title. This will open up the publication detail. Under publication type, it should say academic journal. There are items published in peer review publications that do not go through the peer review process. These include abstracts from conferences. Usually, these include the date and location of the meeting. However, you could still tell it's an abstract by the fact that it was published in a supplement and is only 1 page long. Another type of item that does not go through the peer review process is editorials, or also known as commentaries. Another item type that does not go through the peer review process are book reviews. If it doesn't state it in either the title or the abstract that it is a book review, it should say it in the document type. Some non-peer reviewed publications can be mistaken for peer-reviewed because of the structure of the citation. First, here's an example of one that has both volume and issue number and multiple pages, so that it could potentially be mistaken for a peer-reviewed article. However, under publication type is periodical. Databases refer to magazines and newspapers as periodicals. So this is not a peer-reviewed publication. Here is another example of something that might be mistaken for a peer-reviewed publication. However, under publication type, it says trade publication. These also can be referred to as trade journals. They are magazines written for people who work in a particular profession, and no item in these go through the peer review process. If you would like help determining whether or not an item has gone through the peer review process,